Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In this video, we're diving into Doenjang Jjigae, the Korean soybean paste stew you'll want to make again and again. We'll talk about what it is, why it tastes so good, and why it fits perfectly into real, everyday cooking. Some soups feel like a side dish. Doenjang Jjigae, Korean soybean paste stew, feels like a full reset in a bowl. It's savory, earthy, a little funky in the best way, and deeply comforting, especially with hot rice. People love it because it fits real life. It's quick enough for a weeknight, forgiving if your fridge is half empty, and satisfying without needing fancy steps. One pot, a handful of vegetables, tofu if you want it, and that rich backbone from fermented soybean paste. This video covers what Doenjang Jjigae is, what it tastes like, the key ingredients to buy, and an easy, reliable way to cook it at home without overthinking it. What is Doenjang Jjigae, and why does it taste so good? Doenjang Jjigae is a Korean stew made with doenjang, a fermented soybean paste. Think of it as Korea's everyday clean-out-the-fridge comfort food, but with a bold flavor that tastes like it simmered all afternoon. The heart of the stew is the paste. Doenjang is salty, earthy, and a bit funky, in a way that reads as roasted nuts and aged miso notes. When it hits hot broth, it turns into a thick, savory base that clings to tofu and vegetables. That's why a simple pot of zucchini and potato can taste like something much bigger than the ingredient list. Most bowls also include a little garlic and something from the allium family, like onion or scallion. Many cooks add gochujang, Korean red pepper flakes, or a spoon of gochujang for warmth, but classic Doenjang Jjigae doesn't have to be spicy. If you've ordered it at a Korean restaurant, you've probably seen it served bubbling in a stone pot. At home, a small saucepan works fine. What matters is a gentle simmer so the flavors round out and the vegetables turn tender without falling apart. Doenjang versus miso versus gochujang, simple differences. Miso and doenjang both come from fermented soybeans, but they don't behave the same in a stew. Doenjang is chunkier, saltier, and more earthy. It tastes robust and stands up to strong add-ins like garlic, mushrooms, and seafood. Miso is often smoother and milder, sometimes slightly sweet. It can work in a pinch, but it won't taste as deep. Gochujang is a sweet, spicy Korean chili paste. It brings heat and sweetness, not the earthy base flavor. Quick sub-tip. If you use miso instead of doenjang, start with less. Expect a lighter, gentler stew, and add salt only at the end. Common add-ins: tofu, zucchini, potato, mushrooms, and seafood. Doenjang Jjigae is flexible by design. These are common add-ins and what they do. Tofu adds softness and makes the stew feel complete. Zucchini cooks fast and adds a mild sweetness. Potato gives body and a comforting, starchy feel. Mushrooms add umami and a meatier bite. Clams or shrimp add a briny edge that plays well with the paste. Mix and match based on what you have. The stew's personality stays the same, even when the toppings change. Doenjang Jjigae ingredients and smart shopping tips. You don't need a huge Korean pantry to make a good doenjang stew, but the right paste helps. In the US, you can find doenjang at Korean markets and many larger grocery stores in the international aisle. It's usually sold in a plastic tub. Now that you understand what makes Doenjang Jjigae special and why people love it, we're ready to move into ingredients and how to cook it at home. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.